Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are finding this video helpful as you prepare for your exams. Understanding direct and inverse proportionality is crucial, and I have made sure to cover everything you need to know in this full course. So please subscribe. In today's question, they ask the pressure P Pascal of a gas in a container is directly proportional to its temperature T Kelvin. When T is equal to 10, P is equal to 25. Find an equation connecting P and T. Since they say that P is directly proportional to temperature T, when we say P is directly proportional to T, it means that P increases or decreases. The T changes in such a way that this ratio P by T remains constant. And we usually denote this constant by K. So I can write this as P by T is equal to K. Furthermore, I can also write this P is equal to K times T. Now to find out the value of this K, I will use this given information. When T is equal to 10, P is equal to 25. So all I need is just substituting these values into this equation, and it will get us, for P I am gonna write 25, and for T I will put 10 is equal to K. So this implies that K is equal to 2.5. Now I will substitute this K is equal to 2.5 into this equation. So this equation would become like P is equal to 2.5 times T. So this is the equation that connects P and T, or this is the equation that expresses P in terms of T. Okay. So for this I will write it as P is equal to 2.5 times T. Remember, every subscription counts and motivates me to keep bringing you the best educational content. So hit that subscribe button and let's conquer these exams together. Now I need to find out the value of P when T is equal to 24. To find it, all I need is just substitute T is equal to 24 to find out its value. So as we know that P is equal to 2.5 times T. Now substitute T is equal to 24 into this equation. So P is equal to 2.5 times 24. So using calculator, and I will come up with 2.5 times 24 is equal to 60. So when T is equal to 24, P will be equal to 60. If you found this video helpful and want to ace your exam with more helpful contents like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you will be first to know when I upload new lessons, tips and exam strategies. Plus, it supports the channel, allowing me to create even more quality content just for you. And now I have to calculate the value of T when P is equal to 12. Again, I will use this equation. P is equal to 2.5 times T. So I have to substitute this P is equal to 12 into this equation. So this equation will become 12 is equal to 2.5 times T. To isolate or to calculate T, I will divide it by 2.5 as well as this side on 2.5. So cancelling this 2.5 will be cancelled with this one, and for this I will use calculator. 12 divided by 2.5. It is equal to 4.8. This gives us that T is equal to 4.8. Now to draw the graph of P against T, I will use this equation, that is P is equal to 2.5 T. I will take this P along y-axis and t along x-axis. So y is equal to 2.5 times x will be equivalent equation to this one, that p will be along y-axis and t will be along x-axis. And let's see what's there for us. So you can see that the graph of y is equal to 2.5x, which is originally represent p is equal to 2.5t, and this graph is a straight line that passes through the origin with a slope of 2.5. This means for every unit increase in x-axis or nt, the y-axis means p increases by 2.5 units. Since it is a direct proportionality, the line represents a constant ratio between p and t. Alright, good luck with your studies, and don't forget to check out the full course on direct and inverse proportionality and the playlist. You have got this.